the drama. They catch the birds and train them how to talk. Then somehow they in very urgency. This one lived in the temple, and when they left, they forget to take the bird along with them. Then the nuns and people in the temple treat the bird by the food left from the armbowl and teach the bird to talk like ati. Before that, they practicing, and then they ask the bird that, do you know the Satipatthana Sutta? No, I don't know. What did you practice in daily life? No, I didn't practice anything. Then the people in the temple teach the bird say that ati. Then the bird say ati like talking, repeat again and again. And one day the eagle, you know the eagle, the big bird, holding the bird, talking bird. Then the talking bird say only one thing. Ati might be apart, you know, because the big bird holding him, and he might die in any minute. But most of the people in the temple chasing the eagle and trying to release the bird, the talking bird. But after some time, then talking birds are released. And then they ask the birds, what did you think during the big bird, the eagle carrying you on the sky? I say I say nothing. I say only ati. And ati might be go straight over the forest. You know this. Even the bird saying ati means every being who understand, who live in the people's life, in the people community, they practice Satipatthana Sutta. But someone may say, that's too much. I think possible, it is possible. Why? Because those days, even the first day the Lord Buddha gave the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta, more than 19 crores or 190 million of the God and Goddess enlightened, but only one man enlightened. But after Buddhism is spread all over India, you know the Buddha never stayed too long in one temple, like we are right now. After Buddhist land, the Buddha going out. From Sravasti, even in Sravasti, sometimes he lived in Pokhara of Visakha Mahapasika. And when after Buddhist land for 3 months, some year, he may say that due to the many newcomer, new Buddhist monks come, and other master, for example, like Sariputta, Mahakassapa, Mokkallana have disciples to teach. They all teachings about Satipatthana Sutta. And many of them, then the Lord Buddha came to know that some of them in the state of mind is very tension, means they're going to get enlightened. Then he announces to everyone that I will stay longer, more than 1 month after Buddhist land. That means to let everybody know that they have in a hurry to learn and practice more in meditation. Even 1 month that he staying in Bukhara is longer than any other Vassa, other years. He will have to announce, but mostly after Buddhist land, when he gave the robe offering finished, he moved from one direction like that. Suppose he moved to Thailand, okay, he will walk to Kolkata, the Angkor state, right? He will walk to Myanmar or Bangladesh and Myanmar, and he will walk to Thailand, and he walked up to Vietnam, and during the finish over there, he will walk back again, come back to Sravasti again. Means he will stay one village, maybe 1 or 2 nights, or maybe 1 or 2 days, or maybe 1 week more longest. Because like this, the Buddha going with direction. The people surrounding near, they will come to know that. That's why someone say that for the Upali Grahapati, and he say that Itiviso Bhagavarahan Samma Sambuddho Vichajarana Sampanno. They mentioned by the, even he belong to other disciple of the other master, we call Nikanta. After he became a Buddhist, then he recommends about the qualifications of Lord Buddha. A lot. I think through 45 years, Buddhas go in different directions. That's why Sri Lanka have mentioned many times the Buddha been to Sri Lanka. Yeah, I think in Myanmar, Buddha many times been to Myanmar, even Thailand. Buddha came to Thailand. Not just only Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, China, other universe too. The Buddha go to other universe too, but he not mentioned. Maybe it's usually to mention. Maybe before the Ananda request that Lord, one of the requests from him that if he go anywhere without him, please come back and then repeat teaching to him again. Maybe before that, he go different directions and then anyone, even the one who's been with him of the one lifetime, maybe billions of lifetimes ago, he made two Buddhas during his practicing as a Bodhisattva. If concerned to him, he will go, even the different universe, he will go. Not just only in this planet. The one who will say, how the Buddha never come to USA, the Buddha never come to Soviet, Russia. Not possible. He went to everywhere. Even the other universe, he's already been there. That's why this meditation, I think nowadays, according to the Lord Buddha have mentioned that during his life, still alive, one Buddha will say, will teach, but after he passed away, he said that more than 84,000 Buddha will go and meet to everyone. But now, I think the truth, not 84,000, billions of Buddha will go to every channel of the one who is a community in the social media. Every channel of the social media. If one expected to listen, if the one expected to learn, because Sikha. What are Sikha? How many Sikhas exist in, according to the Eightfold Path? 3, right? Sila Sikha, Samadhi Sikha, or Chitta Sikha, or Panya Sikha. These Sikha will go to everyone who needs to know about his teaching. I think it's not overtalk, it's true. Before, a few years ago, some religion blocked Buddhism, symbolism, or the Buddhism not allowed to come in this country. But now, can anyone block? No. Only oneself block oneself. Even like Emperor Buddha temple, some of them believe in other religion that they are not allowed to see other religion. Now even the Emperor Buddha temple, every part of the world, once they come to Thailand, they will visit Emperor Buddha temple. Maybe because of they like the teachings of Buddha, but due to the culture, right? When I've been to India, several times I've been to Taj Mahal. Why do I have to go to Taj Mahal? Someone said, it's the great love. But no, I didn't think it that way. I think it's a great cruel.
Yeah.
Why? Because love to one killed how many of the technician? You can build Taj Mahal, but you cannot go and build anywhere else.
Yeah.
Then, if you want to live, you must be handcuffed, or you have to be blind, or you have to be dead. This is just the greediness of a man. But most of the people around the world, oh, this is a great. I don't blame that's kind of people. They're not ready for practicing Buddhist meditation. They're not ready to practice Satipatthana Sutta. Even some of you here, some of you not ready for the practicing meditation. Because you remember only rising up and falling down. But if you didn't educate yourself that life is so short, life is suffering, life is misunderstand all the time. Then, if you don't think in this way, you never go beyond the suffering. Mean this life, you've been born because life previous action is bring you to be born in the situation is very, very lucky one. But in the future, Kaya Kamma, Vaci Kamma, Mano Kamma, we do all the time. No one go beyond the action. Without the Kaya Kamma, Vaci Kamma also doing. Without the Vaci Kamma, Mano Kamma also doing. And doing every minute. Not just a minute. Minute can do millions of action. Don't forget, they will pay you back. And if you've been born in the small insect, it's okay. Few minutes. Suppose you've been born as a fish and live in the wombs of the fish. One fish, they have 100, maybe more than 400,000-500,000 life in the wombs of the fish. If the big fish, for example, like the whale, big whale, how many lives in there? Or if you've been born as the virus, also kinds of life. According to the teachings of Buddha, the virus are the germ, the sperm, the life. Even the God and Godhead itself, not just only good one. That's why they have the war of the different state of the God realm. That means this is the normal life, birth and rebirth, birth and rebirth. If without the teachings of Buddha, the being never get opportunity to listen what is a life. Do we need to go beyond the suffering? No one knows. No one. Are you ready to talk for today? How did you go through the Satipatthana Sutta? I had again from the first Uttesawara Katha. That means the aim, the objective. There are 7 for what? For purification. Purification is the first mean Visuddhiya. The first aims of the studying of the Satipatthana Sutta. Page number 7. Visuddhiya. But what is Visuddhiya? Visuddhiya means overcome Soka and Pariteva. Overcome the dukkha and domanassa, then attaining due to the Satipatthana Sutta mentions only Soga Parineva, Dukkha and Domanassa, and then Attangamaya. What do you mean Attangamaya? Mean enlightened to the true teaching. What are the true teaching? Atikamaya mean Yayasa Atikamaya mean Yaya Dhamma. What are the Yaya Dhamma? Yaya Dhamma is Four Noble Truth. Right? Four Noble Truth. What is Lord Buddha enlightened? The Buddha enlightenment is the Four Noble Truth. That's why the Four Noble Truth, only the Buddha given to 84,000 topics just for the enlightened. What is enlightened? Four Noble Truth. I think I have mentioned for a few years ago, I'm not quite sure for your room yet. Atikamaya. Have you ever heard about Atikamaya? That means you must know. What are you must know? If the Lord Buddha, Upeniwasa Nastiyana, Chittopapatayana, what we are studying now, we're studying about Upeniwasa Nastiyana and Chittopapatayana by the Lord Buddha. We call Pativeta, we call Pariyatti Sasana and Patipati Sasana and Pativeti Sasana of Lord Buddha. Where they are? In Tipitaka. We must learn all this. Not just only listening from one master, then block oneself in that teaching only. That's wrong. But I think not 100% wrong, but it's not right. If you stuck, if you are locked yourself in one master or in one idea, without teaching the true teachings of Lord Buddha, you will be suffered more and more. Then next, Nibbānaya Satchikiriya. Satchikiriya means make yourself clear about Nibbana. Make yourself clear about Nibbana. What are Nibbana? Ni mean take away. Take out what? Vana. What is vana? Vana is Vana is we call defilement. What are defilement? Defilement is start from Soka Parideva, Dukkha, Domanassa. By what? By enlightened Yaya Dhamma. What are the Yaya Dhamma? Four Noble Truth. Number one, Apinyaya, you must know. Number second, Pahatappa. We call by knowing Parinyana. What are Parinya? Yata Parinya. Means you must know things they are as they are. That we call Parinyata Parinyana. And the second, Tirana Parinya. You must understand things will be happening still for some time and will go away. Even the corona itself is not going to stay forever. If staying forever means the whole planet is changed, right? Without the being, all beings are dead. Then other beings still happening. For example, tree. The tree will growing everywhere. And after tree is growing, another being happening again. The thing is developed through from the thing. That's we call independence or origination. Teachings of Buddhas, Mahasatipatthana Sutta, makes help to understand that the life must be Visuddhiya, purification. But then the qualifying that what is a purification mean? Go beyond the overcome the pariteva soka, pariteva dukkha and thomanas. How? Enlighten. Enlighten what? For number 2. Then the first one, apinyaya, the second, parinyaya, and the fourth one or the third one we call satchikiriya, mean nirodha. The fourth, the third of the apinyaya, yata pranya, and pahatapha. Pahatapha is samudaya dhamma. What is samudaya dhamma? The cause of suffering. What are the cause of the suffering? Dukkha and domanassa. Dukkha and domanassa. The system, that's why the masters and most of the teachers in Buddhism teach us how to go beyond this by meditation, called Buddhist meditation. But the other meditations around the world only to understand oneself, only my life is so beautiful, my life is strong, my life is hundreds of ways of meditation. But just only a painting killer, not the way to cure disease. Just the medicine that to kill the pain, released only for a few, but the pain will be next life again and again. But we are so lucky to get opportunity to learn about the teachings of Lord Buddha. We not just admiring because he's our Lord, but because he's understanding all parts of the natures, even the gods and goddess in different universe, billions of universe, crying the day of he passed away. Because some of them might think that, oh, Lord Buddha was born. Oh, now Lord Buddha was renounced the world, sannyasi. Oh, now Lord Buddha enlightened. Oh, now Lord Buddha passed away very fast. They just only go for something, they're not finished for one day yet. Then the Buddha gone already. But very, very lucky that the great master, example Mahakassapa, and the other 500, the 499, has been counting, collecting, keeping all these secret, but not secret, or because not hiding. The secret means the wonderful teaching for us. Okay. Anyone ready to talk for one before we leave for the lunch? Or any question? And this, what given you about how to live the life in this moment?